Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul, makeup and beauty related. This is so exciting because I feel like I hit the jackpot even though I only grabbed like 10 things. I went to a different Dollar Tree and found a bunch of things that I've never seen at the Dollar Tree that I frequent the most. So let's just jump right in. I found this since sandal season is coming, the Sassy and Chic wooden foot file. This is not flimsy like the others. I did get a pedicure set not too long ago and it's so flimsy. So this is wood, has a rope on it, and it's very large. It's very large. And I believe it's, yeah, it's both sides there. I think this was a really neat find. They also had Central Colors 2 packs of nail polishes, which you can never go wrong with 2-pack of nail polish. These are $3 to $4 each in the drugstore. Yeah, I'm really excited. I really wanted this Crelly here because you don't see many Crelly polishes in the drugstore. So I'm going to open these up real quick. The first one is a sheer matte from their sheer matte line. This is called See-Through Citrine. A really beautiful yellow. They had a lot of these sheer matte ones there, but like I said, I wanted this Crelly polish, so I only grabbed 1 pack. But this is from their Sweeties graffiti collection. This is called Icy Spicy Pricey. Look how beautiful. So it's acrylic. You can see it is a cream-like finish, but it's somewhat sheer. So when you layer it, you're going to still be able to see the glitters. It has blue, yellow, looks like white and black glitters in there. Interesting to find at the Dollar Tree. I love unique polishes like this. So, had to grab those. A couple items from LaColors. I knew that if I saw these again, I would pick up at least one more of them, and it's the Froyo lips from LaColors. And the only one I found at the store was chocolate, but I didn't care what flavor or scent it was. We're picking it up. So it's just the LaColors Froyo Lip Balm in chocolate, and these are like the EOS balms. They're a dupe, and they work amazing. They smell amazing as well. So I'm excited to have a backup of that. They also had this entire line there as well, but I chose one because I want to test it out first. But the LaColors Hey Chick Magnet, You're Peachy. And I got the peach sherbet one. It's supposed to hydrate, nourish, and it's just a little like chicky. They had these in different animals too and different scents. But yeah, it's just a scented lip balm. And to that day I was feeling peachy. So we got peach to test out. I got a couple new Ione products, and I'm loving doing these Dollar Tree full faces. So expect one again, probably in the style that we've been doing these. A haul and then the video the next day. So I've been working really hard to get the videos out back to back like that. I think a lot of people think being a stay-at-home mom means that you have all the time in the world to do whatever you want to. It is still extremely hard to fit filming into the schedule being a stay-at-home mom. I work very hard to put out at least four videos a week, 3 at the least, and keep my channel somewhat going. Sometimes it's not easy to adhere to a schedule like that when everything else around you is going on at the same time. But from Ione, I picked up this brow mechanical like pencil. It says it's waterproof, paraben-free, natural brow, perfect arch. We'll see. The only one they had was in soft brown. I'm hoping this is not too warm. I'm hoping this is perfect because I I do need soft brown, or I prefer soft brown. It does look like it might lean a bit towards the warmer side, but we'll see. So does the LaColors one that I have from the Dollar Tree, but the LaColors one's been pulling my hair out because of the wax on the pencil. So I'm hoping that this one isn't going to be like that. Cute packaging on this though. Also from Ione, I have never seen these in my store, and they had like all the shades yesterday. I finally got my hands on one of these liquid blushes, and I had the peach one in my basket because of course I just love peach blush. Just a few little hairs down the aisle was the rest of the collection. So Ione's liquid blush. It says it hydrates, soft and buildable, long lasting, and I got soft pink this time instead of the peach because I've been really loving the Benefit Hervana blush, and it's just a light pink and I just wear it all the time. So much so that I finally hit pan on it, and I think that it will pair really nicely with this soft pink liquid blush. Now in the makeup video, we'll do swatches and stuff of these items. Cute packaging. Ione kills it with packaging, and I refrained from buying eyelashes because I have a pretty hefty stash of eyelashes right now, and there's no sense in buying more, even though I wanted to. From Be Pure, this is an item that I really wanted to find at some point, but just hadn't. And it's their Boba Milk Tea lip glosses. And I got the more nude one. This is the chocolate scented one. Adorable packaging as always. I think this will probably be phenomenal, so I'm excited to give this a go as well. I think it's going to be great. Now the last and final item that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, this is pretty exciting. Well, you didn't see it, but Connor got a can of silly string, blue silly string, and he used that outside yesterday evening because we've been having super nice weather right now, so we've been enjoying lots of time outside before the cold weather hits again. Yes, I got that too. One of my friends, she posted pictures that she found this item, and I had to ask her where she found it, so I went the next day and to pick up one myself. So I have never found an awesome item like this in my Dollar Tree, like ever, and I'm just totally surprised. This is the Love, Peace, and Groovy Shades eyeshadow palette. Look at this adorable packaging. I'm just loving this whole vibe. It has a sleeve. Okay, I see people haul all these super nice items from the Dollar Tree all the time, and I never find like eyeshadow palettes like this. So it has 12 shades of wild, bright, and groovy shades. Super duper cute. No mirror, which I'm okay with. I just do my makeup right at my desk, so I'm not really worried about that. Look at the color story on this. Isn't this not going to be perfect for spring and summer? And I already tested some of these shades, swatches. You're going to wait until the makeup video. But these are incredibly pigmented to be bright. I am here for it. It's pretty wild. Also, I love the names of the shadows. Lennon, Frisco, Hendrix, Janice, Warhol, Peace, Love, Rock and Roll, Morrison, Woodstock, Hippie, and Tie-Dye. This just reminds me of my nanny and papa because they grew up and experienced Woodstock. My nanny watched it on TV, but just the fact of growing up in that era and experiencing all this, she loved Janice. I'm here for it. I just love the names and stuff. The color story is fabulous as well. So I cannot believe that I found a $1.25 eyeshadow palette just like that. That thing looks amazing. I can't wait to use it. So that is all I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree related content. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links.